I am using two cameras with the same settings, using 4K 60 frames per second, both at one time zoom. I am testing my face tracking like this now. Now I will switch to 3x optical zoom. This is 3x optical zoom, all on automatic. I am starting to move now.
Shoot a video.
Oh no, it's fine.
Now it is 12 times face tracking. Where is my face? Now it is 12 times face tracking. DJI can still track my face, but Luna can only track my forehead. I am about 2 meters away from the camera now, and I'm starting to back up 12 times face tracking. To be honest, I think both of their white balance strategies are quite strange. When I show them a white statue, neither of them provides a 100% pure white reproduction. One is a bit warmer and the other is a bit cooler. This warmth or coolness is caused by many external factors, so I will pull my face back. If that's the case, you can tell which one is better for 3 times close-ups, right? Now I am holding both of their remote controllers, and let's see how far I can walk. These two remotes can, oh no. This is me, it is about 6 meters now. At 20 meters, at 25 meters, at 25 meters, the Insta360 remote is no longer working. Now I'm using the DJI at 12 times zoom to film me, and I will keep walking. By the time I reached 50 meters, DJI still had a feed and there was no obvious lag. Of course, I think going any further is pointless because you can no longer see people in the frame. I am walking back, and at 20 meters, the Insta360 reconnected and the image appeared. Now at about 15 meters, the Insta360 is experiencing severe signal lag and is almost unusable, but the DJI is very smooth. The footage you're seeing now is my 12 times digital zoom. Is there any point to it? I don't think it's meaningful. Everyone keeps obsessing over macro, but who would actually use this for macro shots? Honestly, don't you camera makers ever think about the elderly? Can you make the text bigger? I can't see it. Insta360 still has focus at 7 centimeters, while DJI has already lost it. DJI's focus only returns at 11 to 12 centimeters, which is its closest macro focus distance. As for Insta360, it can reach 7 centimeters. You can look at the focus in the back and the out of focus area. I actually prefer DJI a bit more. Switching to 3 times zoom, Insta360 wins on macro with a minimum distance of 16 centimeters, while DJI is a bit further at 18 to 19. In terms of macro, Insta360 wins on distance. When I turned on face autofocus, the DJI started glitching, then it recovered. Overall, I think both are great.